MIME is the best studied immune ingredient in the world. And MIME is the best effective immune ingredient. And the reason is its unique and innovative manufacturing process and its unique active component. One of the active components we know in MIME is called partially acylated alpha-glucans. And we know the molecular weight of those active component alpha-glucans are about 5,000 daltons in the peak. MIME was developed in the collaboration with the University of Tokyo 30 years ago. Doctors screened hundreds of different subspecies of medicinal mushrooms in terms of immune cell modulation. Then they identified the very best one subspecies, and this one has been kept in our deep freezer in lab. When we manufacture MIME, we just need a scratch of this cell and put it in a liquid culture medium. So this using liquid culture system is a very unique part of MIME production. We have a global patent of this manufacturing process, and it takes about 2 months to produce one batch of MIME. With this long-term culture, those unique active components are produced. And that is explaining why MIME is so unique and effective ingredient for immune modulation. There is one comparative study reported by an American doctor who has compared MIME with other immune ingredients on his cancer patients. He measured the natural killer cell activity by using those 4 different kinds of immune ingredients, and surprisingly, MIME was the only effective ingredient that could really change the natural killer cell activity.